Hey guys, welcome to our channel. If it is your first time here, thank you for clicking on this video. Be sure to check out some other videos, and if you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe. We would love to have you be a part of our family here. If you are already subscribed and you're coming back, thank you for checking us out again. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for supporting us. And if you are coming back but you're not subscribed, now that you're back, it's time to subscribe. So just go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there. Alright, so before I get into the actual video, a little backstory. My last video, or our last video, was a video of our unfurnished apartment tour after we moved out. We just bought a house. I am standing in the backyard of our house that we bought. So it's real. So I did a tour, and I did the video for YouTube, but I also did an Instagram story on Instagram. And then while waiting for the ladies to come to the walkthrough, they was taking forever. So I did another Instagram story, and I was like, you know, lady, she's late. And I called the company who sent the lady, and they're like, oh, well, she can't find the place. But she's there, but she's at the wrong building. Anyways, that's neither here nor there. But what you're about to see is a little rant of what this lady told us during our walkthrough, during our final walkthrough of an apartment that we stayed in for 4 years. Yeah, it was getting a lot of feedback on Instagram, so I decided to bring it over to YouTube since I posted the tour on here as well. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. I mean, let's talk about it. Anyways, let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm not gonna leave you guys hanging because I'm getting a lot of comments about these previous videos. So we got the walkthrough done after she came to the house. She was like, oh, I went to the wrong building. Ma'am, you own the property, don't you?
On too much.
She ain't been there for 4 years, so she probably yeah, our landlord never came to our apartment in the 4 years we lived there. So I guess that's her excuse. Anyway, so she came, she did her walkthrough, and homegirl is talking about all these little things. She's like, oh, there's a light bulb that has to be replaced.
The stove is a bit dirty.
The oven is a bit dirty. Oh, the fridge is broken.
We have to.
And how about they gotta go clean the apartment, all this stuff. Like, lady, we know that. Like, but what they gotta do with us? What they gotta do with us? The stove, when we moved in 4 years ago, one of the burners never worked. 4 years ago. We lived with it for 4 years.
Even after telling them.
Even after telling y'all stove ain't working. All of it's not working at least. They didn't replace it. The refrigerator, a shelf broke probably, 3 months ago?
Yeah,
the bottom shelf. We had 4 years we've been living there. About a month before we moved out, the bottom shelf broke. She's like, oh, well.
It's an old stove anyway. I mean, fridge and
yeah,
stove.
she's like, oh, well, this fridge is working. It just said there's a broken shelf. Okay, you need to replace the whole fridge.
They're going to. They can't rent a place like that anyway.
Now, y'all don't know, of course, but we had told them a few months ago, like a year ago, that the appliances needed to be changed because they were falling apart. They never changed the appliances. The only thing they changed in that house was the washer, which I'm sure came from another apartment, or it was an old washer that they had set up in storage somewhere, because it sure wasn't no brand new washer. The 4 years we lived there, we never called them to do nothing crazy to fix something. Damion added a new fan. He did it himself. New garbage disposal did it himself. My dad and his brother did 2 toilets. 2 brand new toilets themselves. Never called these people to come and fix nothing. And now she's talking about how we gotta replace a light bulb and a towel rack for the bathroom.
And they gotta find out how much it's gonna cost.
No, and she said, oh, we gotta repaint. We didn't put that paint in, lady. And then she's talking about she gotta repaint and hire people to clean the apartment. I may be biased because I live there, but we all that saw those videos, can you answer this poll for me, please? Just let me know, because I'm a little bit, just need to know. Because if it was dirty, then yeah, I will gladly pay for your cleaning people to come clean it, which I'm sure you should be doing anyway after you move out of your apartment, you should be cleaning it. And the new tenants that move in should be cleaning it as well. So, I mean...
Especially in Rona.
Especially during this time with coronavirus going around. So, ma'am, no, you're not going to take our deposit to pay for your cleaning. And matter of fact, when we moved in there, you let us move with a dirty carpet for 3 years. Filthy carpet, because you didn't want to change it. Did you charge the previous tenants for the carpet that they left dirty? That took you forever to change it?
Send me my...
Enough ranting. The point of this is, this woman is trying to tell us that we got to pay for these little minor things because she want to hold our deposit money. I just need to know, in the real world, it was just normal wear and tear, right? It was normal wear and tear. 4 years, never called y'all to fix nothing.
But there's more. After all of that.
After all of that, how she got to find this one, that one, and the third. Homegirl says,
do you know anyone who we can hire to paint the apartment?
Yeah, I know. We do. Somebody.
Take our money. Yeah, we do.
So she even got no people to handle this. And she owns multiple apartments. What is she doing?
They're using their money for cruises.
Well, my guy that you hire will definitely be charging you. Y'all be honest. Be honest. If you were in search of an apartment... Oh, that was like... That embarrasses like that. Car dusty all the... Anyway.
Construction.
If you were in search of an apartment, would you rent that apartment? Look at the kitchen, the bathroom, the wall color, the washer and dryer. I didn't even show her the AC that was broke. It was broke when we moved in. We fixed it to make it work properly.
You've been mending that AC for 4 years.
Would you rent that apartment? Tell me, cause I wouldn't in 2020. I need me some stainless steel appliances, some cute paint on the walls. The floor needs to match. So she got a lot of work to do on her expense, not ours. So, Miss Jackie, that's not her name, whatever your name is, run me my... We're going in Lowe's now. So rent is over. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.